yours. So you would fill out the things. I've already answered all the questions so that I could just show you how it approves. Make sure you hit next page and not next your response, because there's other questions at the next page and it gets hung up. And of course, it's not going to go for me because I'm in a hurry. Once you get to here, you would approve it. The questions in here, questions in here are things like, what are your assignments? So it walks you through the process of putting in your assignments, answering the due dates. Go back, see it gets hung up. The due dates, which assignments you want. It kind of walks you through if there's 4 credits, 6 credits, whatever it is, how many you need to do. And then you can go ahead and put in a comment if you want, and then your response. And here is the final response. You can decline it. If you decline it, everything sits there and we contact the student. The student gets an email and says, we need to fix this. And then we can set the approval again. So don't shy away from declining something. If you need it to be fixed, we want to be able to do that. And then you just approve experience, and the student will get an email and can keep track when they're in their account. So I'm going to go back here. The final piece is the evaluations. You're going to get evaluations and a spreadsheet with the timesheet amounts on it for how much they've done. These things all need to be part of the grade. So when you're looking at the grade, if they've completed their hours and their assignments, but you haven't received, their evaluation or different pieces, you should give them, not give them a grade until we get those. And then if you have to give an incomplete, we have a form to fill out. It's very short, just so that we can update the learning agreement. And sometimes students need to, especially during the pandemic, need extra time. Phew, I'm sure I missed things, but is there any questions? I think we can probably squeeze in a question or two. But I am happy if you feel free to email me. I am happy to talk to anybody one-on-one, or I might end up doing another session where I don't have to speak. I feel like an auctioneer today. So did anybody have any specific questions that I didn't get to cover? Comments? Complaints? All right. Well, thank you, everybody. And I hope you got stuff out of this, but please check out the website and then feel free to contact me and follow us on Instagram and Facebook if you're in there.
Thanks, Michelle.
Thank you.
Thank you, Michelle.
Thanks, Judy. Good to see you. Okay, I sped through that. I'm still recording, just so you know. I can't turn it off. So thank you all for coming, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.